Ms. Kamek, please raise your right hand.
Brandon Kamek is a Houston attorney. His appearance Tuesday in the Texas Senate for the Ken Paxton impeachment trial was all about a job that he did in Austin 3 years ago.
I was fired up about the opportunity to do it.
Kamek testified that he was hired by Attorney General Ken Paxton after his top aides refused an order to investigate claims made by Nate Paul, a political donor from Austin. Paul accused federal and state authorities of being involved in a conspiracy to take his real estate holdings. Paxton wanted Kamek to get access to sealed court documents, which Nate Paul and his lawyer Michael Wynn wanted.
And he said, well, look, his words were, if you can just get a wet ink copy of the original search warrant, this will be over pretty quickly.
Kamek said Paul's claims were convincing to him, and it's why, from the Travis County Courthouse, he eventually started issuing several grand jury subpoenas. Some of those targeted were people linked to Paul's business rivals, law enforcement officers who were investigating Paul, a judge, and even federal court employees.
Were you receiving from Mr. Wynn regularly information of people to include on the grand jury subpoenas?
Yes, sir.
While in the witness stand, Kamek admitted he tried to get personal emails, phone records, and went to banks to get financial records. He also tried to interview a federal clerk about the death of his wife that Kamek said Paul suggested was suspicious.
And so as you went along and gathered all this information from Mr. Wynn and Mr. Paul, were you keeping the Attorney General informed of all this?
Yes, sir. I would discuss it on the phone, or anytime I got like a document emailed to me from Mr. Wynn, I would forward that on to the Attorney General's email address. And then when we spoke again, if we did, I would say, hey, I sent you this or sent you that.
So let me see if I understand. Whenever you received information from Mr. Wynn and or Mr. Paul by email, you would then forward that information to the Attorney General?
The majority of the time, yes, sir.
Kamek testified when he was hired, Paxton called him a special prosecutor but never provided him with credentials or an agency email. He stopped working after getting a cease and desist letter from the state. When U.S. Marshals showed up at his office, Kamek testified he called Paxton and was told to get a lawyer. Later, he met with Paxton and Nate Paul to confront them about what was happening.
The fact that I had a whole entire life before of all of this, a docket, I had clients. I mean, I didn't ask for any of this. You guys reached out to me to come do a job, and then now you're pulling the rug out from under me, and I'm getting cease and desist letters, and now my name's being thrown through the mud in the media, and, it's just a totally new world to me. So, I let that out.